Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at Sundar Motors Mercedes-Benz Chennai. So I would like to thank them to allow me to review their cars. So let's start. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To this the Mercedes-Benz GLC 43 AMG Coupe. So let's quickly get in the boot, push it once and the boot will open. So the boot is large enough, 550 liters. You get a net with a first aid kit. You get a light there as well, so you can fold down the seats from here. A light here as well. So yeah, as you can see, this is the spare tires. What is it? The spare tire. So yeah, there's some space and a warning triangle. The boot is actually, the loading clip is quite high, so it's not that usable. So here you can like close the boot. These are the rear LED tail lights with chrome finish here. AMG written over here. Mercedes-Benz logo. GLC 43. Rear parking sensors. Rear parking camera, and you get functional exhaust at the rear with the diffuser sort of treatment. So the tire size is 285/40 ZR20. So you get the AMG brake calipers there with the disc brake, front and rear Michelin tires. So alloy wheels look really good with the Mercedes logo and 5 lug nuts. Body color door handles, piano black touch, and piano black touch on the all rims with the turn indicators, bi-turbo 4MATIC, so it gets 4-wheel drive system. And let me show you the light. So as you can see, the lights look really good. You get Mercedes written over here. So at the front you get a Panamericana grille, the AMG grille. So this is the GLC 43 AMG, as I told. So AMG line, not the AMG line, you have a AMG model. This is so huge grille with a huge Mercedes logo here as well. Yeah, so lights look really cool. Front parking sensors, get a light here as well under the, what do we say, the ORVM. So these are the rear lights, LED. So for safety, this car gets 6 airbags, ABS, EBD, ESC, traction control, 4-wheel drive system, and hill start assist and hill hold control. So the doors are good, not that heavy, and here you get silver lining door handles, wedge stitching here, wood finish, Burmester sound system. You get door blinds, manual door blinds, power window switch. Door pockets are huge, decent size. 1 liter bottle will not fit. Getting in and out is a bit of a task. So the seat is quite behind. So but legroom and knee will be good because it's like all the way back. It will be good for sure. And you get height adjustable seat belt with seat belt indicating that this is the AMG model. You get wedge stitching on the seats as well. Magazine holder, under thigh support is good, and headroom is good, I would say. Here you get the light hook and handle. So you get rear AC vents, same as the case there. So the hook and handle. You get the AMG seat belts here as well. 3 adjustable headrests with the wedge stitching. Here you get this rear armrest with twin cup holders. So this is the key. You get lock, unlock, and you can directly open the boot from the key. You get the light here as well. Now this is the key. Now let me show you the driver's side. Let's get into the driver's seat. You get 360-degree parking camera. So driver's side gets the power window switches, ORVM control, electric adjust for the driver's seat. This is the Burmester sound system. Wood finish really good. AMG written over here, which looks really cool. Lumbar support here. Again you get the wedge seat belts, which look really cool, and it gets a sunroof as well. So here you get the headlight control with the engine start stop button. So it gets the MBUX system. Now here you get the driver armrest with some space. This is the touchpad. This is for the custom exhaust auto start system. This is the, what do we say, the parking camera, traction control, ride height suspension, the manual settings you can customize it, drive mode selector, and volume control, twin cup holders with the Mercedes dash cam. Here you get some space. Oh, it gets a wireless charger with USB here, so good wood finish here as well. Here you get favorite, hazard light switch, car settings, radio, media, navigation map, telephone, dual zone automatic climate control. Here you get the glove box, which is large enough. Good quality on the dash. So electric adjust with the memory function, and you get massage seats as well. So here you get a mirror with a light, and you get some light controls here, SOS, and that's the Mercedes Me connected car tech. So there as well you get the. Now let's open the. Well, we switch on the car once. So the sunroof is of decent size, does not open all the way because not a panoramic sunroof, but brings a lot of airy feeling because it's an all black cabin. So let's start the air conditioning. Now let's browse the infotainment system. So it gets the MBUX system, as I told, it gets voice command as well. This is the phone, navigation, radio, gets Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation, media, comfort. It has ambient lighting, AMG performance. So you can see individual configuration. Ask when starting vehicle, you can change the vehicle settings. Engine, how much power and torque it's consuming. Consumption, like the average consumption. The fuel economy, 4.1 kilometers per liter, of course, because it drinks a lot of fuel. Mercedes Me app. Settings. Then if you go into setting, you have quick access, electronic parking with the ride and suspension, assistance, you have camera and parking, active brake assist, attention assist. Winter tires, you have winter tires easy, and then you have different here as well. The controls, lights, ambient lighting, it has 64 color ambient light, as we know. Mercedes Benz has this, so you can change it to multicolor. Then lights, exterior lighting, interior lighting, surround lighting system, you can go into styles. You get classic, as you can see it's classic here. Then you get sport, and then you get super sport. So this looks really cool. And ambient light adjustment, you can touch the ambient light, change the ambient light. Then here you have owner's manual, light system. So let's do it into classic again. Display brightness, display off. Okay, then I can just switch off the display. So a lot of things in the car, really good. Now this is the steering wheel. You get volume controls, voice command, you can browse the information display and the instrument cluster. You get AMG written over here. So yeah, really good. You get paddle shifters as well, aluminum paddle shifters. Now let me browse through this system. You get G-force meter, boost, how much power and torque are consuming from start. This is the navigation now coming into this. So yeah, the same thing in all the Mercedes cars. So yeah, now this car has a 3-liter V6 with around 390 horsepower and 520 Newton meters of torque. So 0 to 100 claim time is around 4.9 seconds, and the top speed is of course more than 200 kilometers per hour. Now the fuel tank capacity, as I told, is 66 liters, and the mileage by ARA, I think it's around 9.5, around 9 to 10 kilometers per liter by ARA. So in the city you can expect, depending on your driving style, you can expect around maybe, what do you say, 6 to 7 kilometers, and the highway you can stretch it till 10, because like if you drive it well. Auto dimming inside rear view mirror. Now it gets the welcome lamps as well. AMG looks really cool here. So shall I start the car once? This is the gear selector. So this is how the exhaust sounds, really loud. If I say also, you can't hear me what I'm. So yeah, okay, that's really loud. That's really loud, and really sounds cool as well. So like if I get a chance to rev it, I'll upload the video of that too. So yeah, it exactly shows which door is open. So like if anyone is interested in buying the AMG GLG 43, do let me know in YouTube and Instagram. I'll help you out with the dealers. So yeah, thank you so much. Please like, comment and subscribe.